shout.
Hi guys! For today's vlog, gandito kami sa may... What is this, Abby? Ruford Abbey. Ayan. Uy! Ayan, nandito kami sa Ruford Abbey.
There was a bird. There was a bird jumped in front of the car. Stop being a savage.
Ayan, park to guys. Today at Ruford. Welcome to Ruford. Park house, cafe. Meron ng cafe pa rin.
Morning, you alright, mate? Let's get my card out.
No worries.
Ayan. Ayan guys.
All of this up. Do you want the receipt?
Yeah, please, mate.
Just be a second for you.
Lots of people here already. Mga sasakyan sila.
I wonder why I asked her to be quick. Thank you, cheers, mate.
Just around the right for me. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Isla. Car park. Ano to guys? Forest na naman to. Masa imbes na kabundukan yung ano pa eh. Yung pinanggalingan ko ngayon na naman. Pupunta na naman kami sa kabundukan. Alam nyo guys, yung mga nakikita ko dito na ano, mga sasakyan, ano, mga Audi, BMW, ganun lang. Tapos Ford, MG, mga ganun lang, Mercedes, ayan oh. Oh, yan lang. Wala yung ano masyadong Hyundai, mga ganun. Mayroon din nila. Pero halos BMW, tapos Mercedes. Ganda ng ano nila guys, oh. Ayan, pababa na kami guys. Ayan, oh, ang dami ng ano, park kasi siya. Lakat-lakat.
I'm not finished. I'm just parking up. I don't know. I think I parked in a really weird angle, but I don't know. I think it was like on an angle, but I can't really tell.